It's Ethan here. I'm gonna change my name to some. Don't know. Came up with some ideas. Not good. Not that good. But I just wanted to talk to you. Tell you that I'm gonna change my thing, but I don't know how. Might have to start a new channel. Don't know. Hopefully not. But still, I will be changing my name into something like the game room, nerd room, the game room, something like that. But just want to show you something else too. My stepsister drew these from Mortal Kombat. Okay, we got Sub-Zero. Don't know if you can see that. Sub-Zero. See, from the MK Hex. Sorry, very shaky, nervous. I don't know. Not used to YouTube. Scorpion, pretty good. Afro Scorpion, yeah. Scorpion, get over here. Yeah, just wanted to show you some stuff. I know I don't have any subscribers, barely have any views. Biggest one is 4 views. I hope I can get like at least one. I'll be happy at least if I get one, but still. Hope you have a good time. Wonderful day. Probably do more videos today, but have a good day. Bye bye.